Your dashboard just lit up like a Christmas tree and your stomach dropped. That little amber light isn't just annoying, it feels like your wallet crying. But what if it's miscommunication, not mechanical failure? In 10 minutes, you'll learn 9 things. How a teacher avoided a $1,200 scam, safe reset tricks, the $22 scanner secret, and the one warning to never ignore. Last year, my sister's Honda threw a check engine light before her road trip. The dealer quoted $340 to diagnose it. I plugged in a $22 scanner, cleared a loose gas cap code, and she drove 2,000 miles worry-free. That moment taught me, your car speaks a language most people never learn, and once you understand it, you stop being afraid of it. Point 1. The problem. Sarah's story meets Sarah, a teacher from Ohio who almost paid $1,200 for a problem that didn't exist. Her 2019 Toyota Camry started shifting rough, that jerky feeling between second and third gear. 2 mechanics told her the transmission needed rebuilding. Terrified, she called her uncle who'd worked at Ford for 30 years. He asked one question. Did you recently disconnect your battery? She had, after replacing it at AutoZone. Her car's brain had simply forgotten how to shift smoothly. 15 minutes of idle relearn procedure and a gentle test drive completely fixed it. No parts, no labor, no $1,200. This happens every single day because modern cars learn your driving habits. And when that memory gets erased, they literally forget how to behave properly. Point 2. The science, your car's memory. Think of your car's engine control unit like your brain learning to ride a bike. At first, everything feels awkward and calculated, but after weeks of practice, you don't think about balance anymore. It's automatic. Your ECU does exactly this with driving. Every acceleration, every hill, every tank of gas teaches it how to adjust fuel delivery, ignition timing, and shift points for your specific driving style. Over 50,000 miles, these learned values drift from factory settings, sometimes improving efficiency, sometimes creating problems. A 2023 engineering study found that long-term fuel trim can shift up to 15% from baseline as engines age and sensors wear. When you disconnect the battery or certain fuses, you delete this entire learned history. The car reverts to factory default mode, which might not match your worn engine anymore. That's why the first drive after a reset feels weird. Your car is relearning everything from scratch. Point 3. The safe approach. Targeted resets. Here's where I'll save you from making expensive mistakes. My neighbor tried that viral battery disconnect trick on his 2021 BMW. He forgot that modern cars have anti-theft protocols. His steering wheel locked, the radio demanded a security code he didn't have, and the dealer charged him $200 to unlock everything. The smarter way, target specific modules. Open your fuse panel and look for labels like TCM, transmission, ECM, engine, or BCM, body control. Pull only the fuse for your problematic system, wait exactly 10 minutes, reinstall it. Last month, my friend's Nissan Altima was slamming into gear. I pulled fuse number 27, just the transmission module, for 10 minutes. After reinstalling it and driving gently for 15 miles, the harsh shifts completely disappeared. Total cost, $0. Total time, 30 minutes. His transmission wasn't broken. It had just learned aggressive shift patterns from the previous owner who drove like a race car driver. Point 4. The scanner tool, your diagnostic partner. Remember when I mentioned that $22 scanner that saved my sister's road trip? That little device changed how I think about car problems. It plugs into a port under your steering wheel. Every car made after 1996 has one, and connects to your phone via Bluetooth. Within seconds, you see exactly what triggered that warning light. Here's the beautiful part. Most codes aren't emergencies. Last winter, my dashboard lit up with a P0420 code. Sounds terrifying, right? The scanner explained it. Catalyst efficiency below threshold. I researched it and learned this code often appears in cold weather when your oxygen sensors take longer to warm up. 3 days of normal driving later, the light disappeared on its own. No repair needed. The scanner also shows live data. You can watch your engine's vital signs in real time, like a fitness tracker for your car. You'll see fuel efficiency, sensor voltages, and temperature readings that tell the real story behind mysterious symptoms. Point 5. The Throttle Relearn, Maria's solution. Maria owns a 2018 Chevy Malibu that started stalling at every red light. She'd restart it, embarrassed, while cars behind her honked. 3 shops told her she needed a new throttle body. Quotes ranged from $380 to $520. She found a forum post about throttle position, sensor relearn, and decided to try it before spending money. The process seemed strange. Key on but engine off. Press the gas pedal completely down, hold for 10 seconds, turn the key off, wait, then restart. It felt like a ritual, but it worked. Her idle stabilized immediately. Why? Her throttle body had accumulated carbon deposits that confused the sensor about where closed position actually was. The relearn procedure taught her car's computer the new reference points. She sent me a video of her car idling smoothly, nearly crying with relief. That $400 she saved? She spent it on her daughter's birthday party instead. Point 6. The transmission memory. Driving psychology. Here's something wild. Your transmission literally adapts to your personality. If you're an aggressive driver who floors it at green lights, your transmission control module increases shift pressure and changes timing to match your style. Buy that car used and you inherit the previous owner's driving personality embedded in the transmission's memory. My cousin bought a used Ford Explorer from an elderly gentleman. Within weeks, the transmission started shifting harshly during her normal commute. She's a spirited driver. The transmission was calibrated for gentle grandpa-style driving and couldn't keep up with her habits. The reset procedure cleared those old patterns. Key to on position, press accelerator fully down for 30 seconds, key off, wait 2 minutes, then drive gently for 20 miles mixing city and highway speeds. Her transmission forgot Grandpa's habits and learned hers. The harsh shifting vanished. Modern transmissions are psychological. They mirror how you drive, and sometimes they need therapy to forget the past. Point 7. The idle relearn. Marcus's lesson. Marcus changed his car battery on a Saturday morning. Simple maintenance, right? By Saturday afternoon, his car was stalling at every stoplight. He thought he'd somehow broken something during the battery swap and panicked. Here's what actually happened. When you disconnect power, your ECU forgets how to control idle speed properly. It's managing dozens of variables simultaneously: air intake, fuel injection timing, spark advance, and it had learned the perfect combination for his specific engine's quirks over thousands of miles. That memory vanished with the battery disconnect. The fix is called idle relearn. Engine fully warmed up, park it, turn off the AC and radio, let it idle untouched for 5 minutes, then turn on the AC full blast and idle for another 5 minutes. This teaches the computer how much fuel and air the engine needs for stable idle in both conditions. Marcus did this while watching YouTube on his phone. 10 minutes later, his car idled perfectly smooth. He texted me, "I almost towed it to the dealer. You just saved me a diagnostic fee and probably fake repairs." Point 8. The warning, when to stop. Let me share a painful story that taught me important boundaries. My coworker kept clearing his check engine light with a scanner because he didn't want to deal with repairs. The code kept returning, P0300, random misfire detected. He'd clear it, drive for 2 days, light comes back, clear it again. This went on for 3 weeks. One morning, his engine seized completely on the highway. The misfire was caused by a failing fuel injector that was washing oil off his cylinder walls. By ignoring it, he turned a $200 injector replacement into a $4,500 engine rebuild. Here's the truth. Reset procedures work beautifully for adaptive learning issues. When your car's computer has simply learned bad habits, they don't fix actual broken parts. If your light returns immediately after clearing, you have a real problem that needs real repair. If you smell burning, hear grinding, or see smoke, no reset will help. Know the difference between your car needing recalibration versus needing actual mechanical repair. One saves you money, confusing them costs you everything. Point 9. Your next move. You just learned what took me 5 years of mistakes, research, and conversations with honest mechanics to figure out. Here's what separates people who get ripped off from people who drive confidently. Knowledge. Before your next service appointment, spend 15 minutes scanning your car yourself. Check for pending codes. Those are early warnings that haven't triggered the light yet. Most shops never look at pending codes because they're not billable problems yet. Comment your car's year, make, and model right now. I'll personally tell you which reset procedure works for your specific vehicle and where your fuse panel is located. Next week, I'm revealing the mass airflow sensor cleaning trick that eliminates that reduced engine power warning using grocery store supplies that cost less than $8. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Your car isn't your enemy, and mechanics aren't all villains. But information is power, and you just became powerful. That check engine light doesn't scare you anymore, because now you speak its language. If this saved you money, hit that like button and share it with someone who's scared of their check engine light, maybe your mom, a friend, or that coworker always complaining about repair bills. Your car isn't your enemy anymore. You speak its language now, and that changes everything. See you in the next one.